Casey, you hungry? Are you're reading the fridge, huh? Oh, you want some seltzer? Really? Oh, ketchup, huh? Oh, well, you got your plate over there. But you got to put the food on the plate. No? If you're going to read the fridge, at least go for the food, not the condiments. Oh, you want juice? Back to the seltzer. And the plate. We buy you toys, why? Yeah, I figured as much. Oh, what do you want in there? Huh? You want the letters now.
You can eat those.
You can have those. I don't think you want the ketchup bottle, so. And another one bites the dust. And we'll just play outside the fridge. Oh, we're doing the jungle walk.